everyone, it's Nisha. So today we're doing another 5-minute eye look, and today I'm going to be using Makeup Geek eyeshadows. So I've picked those 5 and that's what I'm going to be using. So first of all, I will use this one, which is called Purely Naked, and I will put that in my crease with MAC 217. In my crease, and then just blend it upwards. Then I'm going to take Tuscan Sun, which is like a terracotta pink, on a blank canvas cosmetics E42, and I put it more just in my crease. Now I'm going to use Shimma all over my mobile lid with Unknown brush. Shimma is beautiful. It was one of my favorite first Makeup Geek eyeshadows I think that I've bought. And I've said so many times before, I absolutely love Makeup Geek eyeshadows. And the color choice is amazing. Okay, now I'm going to take Showtime, which is one of the foiled eyeshadows, on Sigma E45, and I'm just going to apply it on my outer 7, but just below the crease, because this is quite shimmery eyeshadow. I don't really want to go high up with shimmery eyeshadow, especially when I'm trying to hide my hood. If you find, you know, with aging eyes that the skin moves all over the place with the brush, you can always stretch your eye a bit like this, so you know, you stretch the skin a bit. So I don't do that, but if you need to, you can do that. And now I'm going to use Bitten, and I will use that on Zoeva 228, and I will just darken this 7 and go a bit higher with it. This one is matte, so I can go a bit higher with it. Blend it a bit here. Now I'm going to take back the MAC 217 and just blend from the crease up, just so I don't have that definite line. So now I'm going to, I don't have brush that I want to, but I will take the Real Techniques shading brush, and I will go into Bitten, which is the matte one, and I just go under with quite thin, and then to soften it I take MAC 217, go back into Purely Naked and go sort of under it just to blend it out a bit. And that's that for eyeshadow. And now I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Smoky Shadow Pencil in black. And what I do with this shadow, you know, I don't really use liquid eyeliner because with my hooded eyes you can hardly see it. I like to use Core One right on the outer corner of my eyes to sort of give my eyes more elongated look. So what I do, I start about here, and you don't have to be very precise, and then flick it a bit up, following your eyeshadow, and then I take the sponge and I smudge it, so that way you don't have to be very precise with it, but it gives you a bit more definition on this outer corner. And I do the same, I just scrub it in my lower lash line, not so much in a waterline, but lash line only about 1/4 in, and I might smudge it a bit as well. And now just mascara. For my mascara I'm using the Kiko Fall 2.0. And that's the finished look. For my lips, what I've used today is Milani Easy Liner for Lips in Most Natural, Tom Ford Nude Vanille Lipstick, and Rimmel On My Gloss in Pear Glossy Cat. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.